Ash, my forex people, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing absolutely good, because I'm also doing good. So today I'm gonna be analyzing gold, USDT, and Nasdaq. So guys, with gold, I'm telling you. So guys, as you can see, this gold market is just a overall bullish, and now for the last 1 2 3 months, we just seen gold sell. March, April, May, prices have just been selling. So June now, it also it's indicating those signs of sales. So yeah, that's what I just wanted to indicate, that price is bullish, but then for the past 3 months price has been selling. So yeah, we need to see what's really happening. So if you're gonna jump into the weekly, we're gonna do that. The reason why I'm doing that is because you can see that when price touched there, it went up. When the price touched there, it acted, but then it eventually broke, meaning that in this trade, especially this week, we'll be looking for price to go there and then go there, you know, if it's gonna be possible. But for sure price, it will retest that sort of area there. So yeah, price tapped into some territory, hence it reversed the way it reversed, as we see this rejection, a little bit of rejection there. It is because price tapped into a territory, a new territory, so that's why price did that exactly. We have a support, price tapped into that support, hence now price is trying to go and retest those areas. So yes, we are looking for sales, but then again, we need to also keep our eye on the on that retest. We shouldn't sell just yet, you know. If price really goes there and shows us signs of price continuing to sell, my brother, we're just gonna sell. If price comes here, if price just comes there, you know, then gives us indications of sales, we're gonna take those sales. But then again, if you can just look at the buys, it's good business, you know, to take buys all the way up there. Remember, this is the daily time frame, guys. So yeah, it will be a good business. I wouldn't even, you know, think about it so much. Like, it's good business. If you're gonna see buying opportunities, my bro, trust me, it's gonna be good business, you know, taking that buy if it's also presenting itself. But then for me, I'm trading, I'm analyzing. Yeah, it's gold. It's nice because it's gold. Yeah. So yeah. So if price is gonna give me, let me see, it's gonna give me signs of going up, and then show me signs that it really wants to go up there, bro, I'm gonna take those sales, you know, when price reaches here. But then if price gives me signs and shows me that it really wants to go up there, I'm gonna take those buys, you know. But as soon as price reaches here, I'm gonna wait for those rejections, those manipulations, then price goes back all the way down. But then again, there's another scenario where price could break all the way up there, so we also need to be prepared for that. Hence, if price breaks all of this and shows signs of going up, my bro, it's just gonna be a buy. We're not going to think about it too much, we're just gonna buy it, you know, because of, again, this area, this was expected, you know. Price broke again, you need to remember that, you know, price broke. Now price is making amends here by this retest, you know. So price is done retesting, hence we see this bullish engulfing, you know, hence we see this bullish engulfing. So yeah, if we break this resistance up, bro, we're just gonna go up. We're gonna go up all the way to this zone here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna, you know, try to mark off a I'll try to because of here, for sure, like if price just breaks there, bro, like here, there's resistance, bro, you're just gonna buy that thing, man. You're just gonna buy it. I'm just gonna buy it. I can even buy it now, I can even buy it now, if I can even buy it, because it's at a, man, this zone is just the perfect area. It's the perfect area. So yeah, so the entry is gonna be, so this, I'm marking them so that they can be my if I see price reaching to those areas, I'll know that price will definitely have a reaction. So this is just gonna guide me, because sometimes price can have huge because of, sometimes you can enter a trade and say to yourself, now I'm just gonna hold this. Yes, you can do that, but again, there are areas that crucial. There are areas that you need to kind of like take care of them, like make sure that you acknowledge them, make sure that you see them, and what are they actually trying to do, and what are they actually gonna do if price reaches your certain level. So yeah, I think if you just have that in mind, I'm think gonna be safe. So yeah, as you can see right there, just do that, do that, yeah. So yeah, yes, as you can see there, we're just gonna wait for price, man. Honestly, maybe I'm just gonna wait for price to give me moves, because of, as you can see, you see what's happening here. It's also happened this side. We had a reaction on this level, we're having a reaction on this level. So yes, once price just breaks there, for me, I'm just gonna take a buy all the way up there. So just waiting for the break on that trend line, and we're just gonna write this. Today is Monday, yeah, it's Tuesday, so yeah, we still have time. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days is a lot, so yeah, hopefully by Friday we'll be somewhere here, could be saying something. So yeah, yes, so this thing, it had a reaction, it went down, now we're having reaction, we're going up. Simple as that. Just this how I'm seeing this thing, and I'm just having these ideas, as I'm actually analyzing this. I'm just thinking about other things as well. What can I actually do to actually get this right? Okay, cool. I think that this trade is valid. I think I'm gonna take it anytime, for that, just for that early entry, because I need an early entry, because sometimes you could see a like a trade, like you can see it very early and you don't take the trade, and it goes all the way up, and we're actually trying to take a trade, you are taking it, but then now you are at an disadvantage, because price is now gone up way too much, and where you're taking a trade is just like, price has a chance to retrace on you, and yeah. But then here, I think I'm gonna take a trade soon. But then again, I'm having a feeling that I see that price, once price reaches this, it's just gonna play until it breaks here and retest on this spot here, on the spot, because of, it makes sense on this spot. And you can see it means that if price doesn't actually go all the way up, now it could go see price play or go up slow, creating those impulse corrections, but then price will be going up. There's another thing that I'm looking at, so yeah, I don't really think price is just gonna break here. I think, okay, if price reaches this zone, it's gonna play first, then breakout. So I think if I'm gonna take this trade, even if let me just take this trade now, just so that just take this trade. I have an account. Yeah, there we go. I'll just take this trade live. It'll be like a live trade. It's a buy. Let me just take another one. Yeah. So as you saw, guys, like I analyzed, né? And after I analyzed, what did I do? I actually took the trade, you know, just to. And again, I'm not trying to prove that I'm being transparent. No, I'm not trying to prove that. It's just happened that, you know, I analyzed and it just came to my mind that let me just, you know, even just take this trade live, so that it doesn't seem as like I'm trying to push this thing of like, no, let me just take the trade. I'm not trying to mislead anyone, you know. And again, this is not financial advice. This I'm just risking my money here, you know, from what I analyzed, as you guys saw me analyze it. So I'm just gonna buy it, you know. Whatever I'm showing you guys, I'm really being like authentic, bro. Like I'm not playing. Like I'm showing you how I'm actually taking this trades and how actually you saw how I analyzed, you know. So yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna put a stop loss. I'm not gonna put a stop loss. No, I'm not gonna put a stop loss because I know that the stop loss could be very dangerous to me. So I know most of people are looking at filling this gap, but the price is gonna go up a bit before it actually you know, wanna come there, you know. Yeah, I know, but then price is just gonna, you know, buy first before it actually comes to that gap. That's what I see. I know it's gonna come back but not now. It's gonna come back but not now, you know. The gap, wait for the, obviously I was also taking sales, but then I saw that the sales are invalid, you know. Price wants to go up, but then let me, you know, do the less talking. And yeah, as you can see, I took the trade, but then the initial intro was here, but then I just took the trade because, you know, this thing of just like, bro, I'm seeing the setup, you know, and everything is just correct in my eyes, so why not? I just took the trade. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Yeah, I was thinking I'm gonna analyze this steady, but then yeah.